Welcome to AppIQ. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Android overheating. So what you're gonna do is go to the Settings app and then scroll down until you see Battery.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
So scroll down again and then enable the power saving mode. So in this way, your phone will not use 100% of its capacity. So this is okay if you're just doing some messaging, checking emails, and you're not doing some hardcore gaming. And then click the background usage as well. Put the unused apps to sleep. So in this way, it will not use so much power from your CPU. And then enable the battery protection as well. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.